Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Ally Invest is one of the easiest ways to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Rather than picking individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF or index fund and build a diversified portfolio directly from your Ally Invest account. Okay, so in this guide I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Ally Invest in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open an Ally Invest account. Like if you don't already have an account, create an Ally Invest broker account or brokerage account. Complete identity verification, personal information and account setup, and once approved you will gain access to Ally Invest trading platform. So a brokerage account is required before investing. Okay, then I want you to fund your account. Okay, so transfer money from your Ally bank account to an external bank. Okay, so wait for the funds to become available for trading. Okay, so as you can see here in this picture, go to investment. Okay, and then as you can see you will have this page. Okay, so internal Ally transfers are generally available immediately, while some external transfers may have a hold period. Then open the trading screen. Okay, so select trading or trade, choose stocks and ETFs, open the order entry page. So as you can see here in the picture, you have everything that you will need. Okay, just follow the steps. Okay, and then everything will be done. Okay, so search for an S&P 500 ETF, like popular options you have here: VO, IVV, SPY. So these ETFs are designed to track the performance of the S&P 500. So select VO and enter your investment account amount. Okay, and review your order and then submit the order. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.